AI in agriculture, revolutionizing farming with smart technology. Agriculture is the backbone of our world, and with artificial intelligence, we are making it smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. From precision farming to crop health monitoring, AI is empowering farmers to boost productivity and reduce losses. AI powered predictive analytics helps farmers make data driven decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and harvesting, leading to higher crop yields and resource efficiency. Drones equipped with AI based vision technology can detect pest infestations, soil deficiencies, and disease outbreaks, allowing for early intervention and reducing crop loss. How RLAI Consultancy is transforming AI in agriculture. At RLAI Consultancy, we bring AI driven innovation to agriculture, helping farmers, agritech startups, and large scale agribusinesses integrate smart AI solutions into their farming operations. Our expertise includes AI powered crop health monitoring, using image recognition to detect plant diseases and suggest treatments, precision agriculture solutions, optimizing irrigation, fertilization, and pesticide usage based on AI driven insights, predictive yield forecasting, using machine learning to predict harvest output and optimize supply chain planning, AI driven weather prediction, models providing real-time climate insights for better farm planning, automated farm robotics and drones, enhancing efficiency in planting, spraying, and harvesting. By leveraging machine learning, computer vision, and IoT, we help farmers maximize yields, minimize losses, and embrace sustainable farming practices. AI is shaping the future of agriculture with autonomous farming, AI powered soil analysis, and robotic harvesting systems. With RLAI Consultancy, agribusinesses and farmers can leverage AI for smarter, sustainable, and more profitable farming. Want to implement AI in agriculture? Connect with RLAI Consultancy today and take your farming business to the next level with AI powered solutions.